Digital Realty Trust is a real estate investment trust with an artificial intelligence kicker. It operates data centers. Because the majority of AI computing will be done in the cloud, it's caused these companies to go out and buy data centers run by Digital Realty Trust, and the stock has rallied pretty spectacularly off of its 2023 lows. When you combine Digital Realty's AI exposure with its more than 3.8% yield at its current prices, it's a very tempting long-term investment. So if I like this stock so much, why am I selling it? This is simple. Since its high of $178 in 2021, Digital Realty Trust sold off 52%, not finding a low until around $86. Not only is that some serious volatility, that low is actually lower than Digital Realty Trust's pandemic bottom, and it caught me completely off guard. Even though I was adding at those lows, I decided it was time to trim profits because Digital Realty Trust has now come up 50% from those lows. Last week, I took profits, not once, but twice, because Digital Realty Trust really took off. Anything related to artificial intelligence will likely remain volatile for some time. So any investor planning to get into any space related to AI needs to keep volatility in mind. It's important to buy in stages and sell in stages using small quantities so you can manage your risk and lower your cost basis over time. One really nice benefit about Digital Realty is that 3.89% yield, but that could be sold off in less than a day of a bad day of trading. I made my first sell last week on the 2nd, selling 9.19% of my position at $129.44. This sale locked in 18.53% in gains and ended up lowering my per share cost 1.88%. Down from $109.20 to $107.15. When the rest of the market exploded higher on Friday, it triggered my second sell that went through on the 3rd, selling 10.12% of the position at $135.12. This sale locked in 26.1% in gains and lowered my per share cost another 2.94%, down from $107.15 to where it is now at $104. And I have additional sell targets from here as well. My next sell target is at $143.39, under a key point of resistance that Digital Realty has seen several times in the past. Because of the extreme volatility we've seen in Digital Realty and the AI sector, I don't plan to add to this positioning until it gets near its 2023 lows, with my next buy target not happening until $86.71.